Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to enable dark mode in IQ option. First of all, launch open your IQ option application on your device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're logged in, from the main homepage, go to the upper right corner and click on your profile drop-down. Now from the expanded menu, click Settings. Underneath the Settings menu, click on Appearance at the top and go to Theme Settings. Select the dark option from the theme settings and you will be able to enable dark theme or dark mode in the IQ option app using your laptops or your PC. So there you have it. That is how you can easily switch to dark mode on IQ option. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.